Hi, welcome to Conversion Conversations. Today I'm doing just an unboxing video. Uh, Beast Wars Megatron, the Masterpiece toy, arrived yesterday, and I wanted to get into it and do a video on him. I think it's going to take a little more time than I normally take. Normally I shoot a video and can edit it pretty quickly and then, get that one video a week rhythm. So I'm going to do just an unboxing video off rhythm for him and then work on the review while I'm, keeping my regular Saturday videos. But I was excited and I wanted to open this guy and share it with people because oh God, I mean, just look at this box, right? Like, look at that. That is the T-Rex from the TV show, which I just love. And that is his CGI model, right? So, you get that standard nice Masterpiece gloss, all sorts of product shots on the back. Okay, so if you've been following Transformers at all, you've probably seen this picture before. This is Masterpiece Optimus Primal, which I don't have, but look at that. Masterpiece Optimus Primal is the size of his head. That is awesome. Dinobot, so this is my first Beast Wars Masterpiece toy. I got Cheetor also, far enough away that I'm not going to reach for it. Dinobot is coming, and Optimus Primal I have yet to order. After I save up a little bit more money, I'll be picking him up. But let's go ahead and get started on this guy. So hopefully this is going to be pretty quick. Oh, okay. And, I do all my review videos and I start in alt mode because I feel like that is a fundamental part of the Transformers experience. You start in alt mode and you reveal the robot. That's important to me. Actually, Patriot Prime, I think, did a comment or a question on Facebook at some point about how you prefer your toys, and that's how I've always preferred mine. And recently Hasbro and Takara have shifted into doing robot modes for the mainline stuff as packaged. But here we've got our T-Rex in alt mode that we get to reveal into Megatron. And looking at his good stuff, we've got a beam for his cannon. We've got a stand piece. We've got, it looks like a rifle. That's probably from the show at some point that I don't really remember. I actually don't know what that purple piece is. We'll figure out. And then we got some faces. And all his paperwork is right here. Oh. And I'm not a box collector. I don't collect the boxes, but the Masterpiece stuff. It's just so easy to put things back in for storage. We get a little collector's card right here, MP43. He's perfect on everything except for intelligence, which I'm kind of surprised by. I figured it would be a 10 intelligence and a 9 courage, right? Because he's not like the most honorable person. But that's interesting. Here is some tips on transformation. I have heard that these guys have a couple broken in a couple places in the arms and then the crotch. So I'm trying to be careful about that. We've got all sorts of paperwork. This is, that is plenty to look at and discuss. Oh, here's another cool picture. It shows kind of how you can get him down to his bare bones, like bathtub mode from the one episode where he was taking a bath. Put that to the side. Oh boy. My plan is I might end up getting 2 of these. I want a Masterpiece Beast Wars. Oh, I just cut my table. Collection, like separate from my main Transformers collection in my Detolfs. And then in addition to that, this is like, he is how big a T-Rex is to me compared to a car. Maybe that's not perfectly accurate, but in my imagination, my mind's eye, that is how that size works. So I feel like Masterpiece Megatron I might want one as the Beast Wars Megatron that I hang out with my general collection. Oh, there's tape all over this guy that I just totally missed in my excitement. Oh, yeah. Okay. I don't need the rest of this right now. I just want to play with the dinosaur. Look at... I think actually I might... Oh. He's got his articulated heels. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, good way to help him stand up. Let's go ahead and drop the camera down a little bit. Look at this. Just, I mean, he's got stuff all over him. We can pull all that off. I'm not going to do a transformation now. Like I mentioned before, I want to make sure I don't break anything by accident. I think I have to... There's been some discussion about cracking being seen on this hip joint, so I want to be careful of that and possibly do a repair, loosen it up to prevent... I think the plastic is cracking from these bolt areas. There's just a stress concentration there that I want to avoid. And then I've heard something about his arms that I haven't read too much into, but just... Oh, look at that. Can you tell that I'm happy right now? Oh. I never had Beast Wars Megatron. I think his... Oh yeah, look, his eyes can move. Get them. He's a predator, right? He'd be looking forward. Beast Wars Megatron is such a cool design, and in my mind that is Megatron, the scheming, the yes, that just and this is that guy. Like, this is no compromise, no nothing. This is that Megatron in every way, shape, and form, and this is a really, really cool moment that I'm really happy to share. The arms can move. No elbow on his T-Rex arms. I guess that's, if I'm complaining already, maybe they could have fit a teeny tiny elbow joint in there so he could maybe bring his arms together when he schemes in his alt node. But yeah, just look at this boy. Like, this is... And he's like articulated, his head goes everywhere, his legs... Oh, I guess the mold maybe breaks up a little bit, but you can still get him in a roaring pose, get those knees down where you want them. Just, oh boy, it makes me happy. Okay, that's gonna be it for this video. Nice and short, just wanted to show off my new toy, and I'll catch you guys with some Siege stuff for actual reviews for Saturdays. See you everyone, have a great day.